bulk transloading rarely fails in one moment. It wears down over time, through tension issues, uneven loads, and small inefficiencies that quietly turn into costly problems. Every operation depends on consistent material flow, yet too often crews are stuck making constant adjustments. Belts slip or wear too fast. Pressure builds at transfer points. Downtime follows. The real challenge isn't moving material, it's controlling it. Pinch points form where tension and load aren't balanced. A belt set too loose loses efficiency, too tight, and components wear prematurely. These small issues multiply into lost time and lost confidence. The Schnell TLX Transloader was built to address those pinch points head-on. With an industry-first auto belt tensioner, the TLX maintains optimal belt tension automatically, eliminating guesswork and reducing stress on the system. Material moves smoothly, components last longer, and performance stays consistent. This is not about adding features. It's about removing friction. The TLX is engineered for real-world bulk handling, where reliability matters and downtime isn't an option. Because bulk transloading shouldn't be a constant fight. It should just work. And that's what the Schnell TLX delivers.